Hi, this is a tutorial on how to use the video editor called WeVideo. So here you have your media where you can record, narrate, and import, and you have stuff that you made or imported. Here you have your text, you have audio and sound effects, and premium music, you have transitions, you have backgrounds, and you have stock media. So to make a basic video, a starter video, you can go into the search box and type what you want. It can be videos, images, and audio. So say I could take car, for example. I could put this here, and then if I want, I can put audio into this slot where it says audio 1 or 2 if you add another track. And then I have my video. So that's how to make a video on the free video editor called WeVideo. And then when you're finished, you can click finish, but you have to have a video here. So I can click finish when I don't have a video. And so that was how to make a video on the free video editor called WeVideo. Bye!